Welcome back. In this session, we will answer a simple but critical SEO question. How many H1 tags should a page have? You will learn what the H1 tag does, why it matters, and the best way to use it for ranking and user experience. An H1 tag is the main heading of a web page. It tells both users and search engines what the page is about. Think of it as the title of a book chapter, the first thing a reader notices. H1 tags are important for SEO because they help search engine understand the main topic of the page. They also improve accessibility and make content more scannable. The general best practice is to have only one H1 tag per page. This avoids confusion and ensures search engines clearly understand your page's primary focus. Having multiple H1s can dilute the SEO value by sending mixed signals about your main topic. A single, clear H1 helps maintain focus and improve rankings. Some modern HTML5 structures allow multiple H1 tags for different content sections. However, for SEO purpose, it is still safer to keep one main H1 for clarity. Your H1 should be placed at the top of the main content area. It should be visible, descriptive, and naturally contain your target keyword. Don't confuse the H1 tag with HTML title tag. The title tag appears in search engine results, while the H1 appears within the web page content. They can be similar, but don't have to be identical. Include your primary keyword in the H1 tag, but keep it natural and user-friendly. Avoid keyword stuffing as it can hurt both rankings and readability. Avoid these mistakes: multiple H1s, missing H1 tags, overly long headings, and stuffing keywords. These reduce SEO effectiveness. To sum it up, one H1 per page is the safest and most effective SEO practice. Keep it clear, descriptive, and keyword rich. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.